The controllers require a power supply of 230 or 400 volts and a supply of 24 volts for the logic section. It is important to ensure that the connection point for the potential earth does not follow L and N as usual. If the PE is nevertheless connected to this connection point, the DC link will be short-circuited and the device destroyed. The controller operates with high-frequency direct currents. If the wiring is not correct, this can lead to errors. The device must be connected to the main side PE with separate cables on the mounting plate and on the connector plug. In addition, the shield of the power cable must be connected over a large area in the shield terminal. On the motor side, you do not need to pay attention to anything else when using ETEM components.